Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And to this video, I will show you how to crop image in Illustrator. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to import your image into your Illustrator workspace. And for that, you're going to go ahead and come down below right here and click on this plus sign right here. I'll go ahead and select my image. Then I'll click on place. Then I'm going to go ahead and drag the image right here. Now, for us to crop the image, what we want to do here is to go ahead and we make sure we click on this particular crop tool right here. Once you click on crop tool, this is going to pop up. Just click on OK. Then here you can adjust and drag the image based on the area you would like to crop. So, but for instance, I want to crop out every area and leave the blue out of it. Once you select the area you want to keep, press enter key on your keyboard and you have successfully cropped the image without any stress. It's that simple. So this is how to crop up your image in Illustrator. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.